Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set up a TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi system in your home. Mesh Wi-Fi systems are great for ensuring a strong and reliable internet connection throughout your house. Let's get started. First, unbox your TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi system and make sure you have all the components, the main router and the additional satellite units. Place the main router near your modem where the internet connection comes into your home. Connect the main router to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Next, plug in the main router and wait for it to power up. Once it's powered up, open the TP-Link Deco app on your smartphone. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new network. The app will guide you through the setup process, including creating a network name and password. After setting up the main router, place the additional satellite units in different areas of your home where you want to extend the Wi-Fi coverage. Plug in the satellite units and wait for them to power up. Once they're powered up, open the TP-Link Deco app again. In the app, you will see an option to add additional units to your network. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the satellite units to your main router. The app will help you position the satellite units for optimal coverage. Once you have set up all the satellite units, you're good to go. Enjoy seamless Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home with your TP-Link Mesh Wi-Fi system. Remember to update the firmware on your devices regularly to ensure optimal performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.